Howdy ho, this is Terry. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Now I'm in low carb maintenance mode. Thank you. Hey there, supper's going to be pretty quick and easy, or not supper. Preparing my breakfast. That is the video that I just did of pork and gravy. And so, a couple things. What it was like, well, this one I know I'm going to tell you because I forgot what the other one was. Well, anyway, this one. So I've been thinking about the gravy situation. You remember when I made the onion gravy a couple weeks ago? Maybe a month ago, whenever it was. What I was thinking about was, you know, whenever I did it in the oven. I roasted the onions or however you want to say it. I cooked them in the oven. What I was thinking about is what if I took frozen onions and I put some frozen onions and mushrooms in a crock pot and let them cook all day and put some broth inside of it and just use some of those, I don't know where I put it, but those tomato flavored granules. It's like, you know, to give something a tomatoey flavor. And then use like one of my broths that's from like a roast or something I made. Anyway, and just let that all kind of cook all day. And sorry, I have a timer on my phone that just went off. Anyway, and then in the evening time, that evening, use the little immersion blender. I think that would be pretty good. Make an onion, mushroom, and beefy gravy. And I pulled this out because what I can do is put the portions in here and stick this in the freezer, and then I can freeze them in portions. Because what I was thinking was, here, let's get this ready while I talk. What I was thinking was that the problem with it was I don't want to put it on everything. You know what I mean? I don't want to have the, you know, I may decide I don't want gravy or whatever. So what I was thinking is if I portion it out in these and freeze them, and then I pop them out, I could put them in little Ziploc bags, and then if I decide, you know, the day before, it might be, maybe I can defrost it enough, you know, in 24 hours. Well, no, it's less than that. But anyway, maybe it'll defrost enough by the time I eat it the next day. I don't know, but I just think that would be, it'd be better portion control too. So I'm thinking that when I go to Walmart, oh yeah, that was something else I was going to talk about if I remember. Hey, somebody say Walmart when I'm done with this story. Anyway, so if I remember, or when I go to Walmart, I want to get some frozen onions, mushrooms, or, ooh, I could use that tri-blend, you know, the blend, it's onions, not tri-blend, it's onions and frozen red and green peppers. If I put that in there, and some onions and some mushrooms, and then with that broth, onions and peppers and mushrooms. Oh my goodness! I just ate, but it's making me hungry already. But anyway, so yeah, so I think I want to do that sometime, whether it's this weekend or next weekend or whoever knows. I don't know. You all know I never know when I'm gonna do something. This is just some vinegars mixed with water that I had my pickles in. I'm going to put that on there. I'm going to finish it off here. Okay. And then this is my mixture of Skinny Girl, Poppy Seed, and Walden Farms, Walden Farms, Thousand Island. Oh, thick burgers. So I did not pick up burgers today at Walmart. I'm kind of kicking myself because I need some or I want some. But I really don't think that's what I was going to tell y'all. I don't know. Anyway, maybe it'll come to me later. But that and that. Oh, hold on. Hold up. Hey, so tomorrow we're going to do you know, I told y'all about the long and versus the short apples. These are both the same kind of apple. These are both the Cosmic Crisp. But see how one's taller and skinnier and one is shorter and rounder? So supposedly these are sweeter than these. So we're going to take them tomorrow and we're going to do a taste test. We as in me and you. So, that. Get my salad in here. And that. My breakfast. These apples. Yes, I know I'm taking 2 apples tomorrow. Don't lecture me. Or just, it's all for science. And let's see, my eye surgery. They're going to call me tomorrow morning. And they're going to talk to me about what I need to do and when I need to meet them and when I need to do all my stuff. So I got my eye drops already in the mail. And according to the instructions, starting 2 days before surgery, instill 1 drop in the left eye 3 times a day for 3 weeks, then once a daily for a week. Good night, Gertrude. So anyway, so I got my eye drops. So I'll be using these special eye drops. So anyway, so I'll tell you more as I know about what's going to happen, because they're going to call me tomorrow and tell me all about my surgery stuff. So, okay, have a good evening. Bye. Sammy and Callie are going to town. And Lou's ready. He's like, somebody tap me. Somebody tag me in. Said tag me in, guys. But they won't. Go get him, Baxter. He does not give 2 hoots right now. Get him, buddy. Get him, Baxter. Go get him. All Callie has to do is take a step to the right and Sammy will be planting himself on the floor. Let me tell you something. This is why it's a good thing to go to Walmart in the mornings. I wanted to pick up some frozen burger patties so that way I can make them tomorrow, so then I can start eating that for breakfast. And they had the 85% ground burger patties at my Walmart, so I was excited about that. And I walked over, just perused the meat section, and the 85% ground beef was on sale. It was on sale for like $4.48 or something like that. Because not the beef, but like it was dated today. So yellow stickers. So I got there probably about 6:30 this morning. So that's the best thing about going to Walmart early in the morning is that's, you can beat the people to the stickers. So anyway, $4.48. It's not, it's not like the old day prices, but it's still cheaper than, still cheaper than it can be. So anyway, check out them yellow stickers and get to your stores early-ish. Unless you find out they do it late at night. Then that's a different story. Then go late at night. But anyway, so I scored 5 or 6 of those. And then 2 bags of the 2 12 packs of the frozen 85% ground beef burger patties. And then I also picked up 2 steaks. I was like, you know what, Terry Bear? You are going to get you some steaks. You are going to have a good weekend. You're going to be doing a lot of heavy work and just a lot of stuff at the house this weekend. So you're going to get you some steaks as your reward. Only if I do the stuff. So I'm going to try not to eat them. I'm not going to let myself eat a steak until I finish that bathroom. So I'll dangle it like a carrot. Do you want a steak, Terry? It's a ribeye. It's like the good ribeye too. The kind with all the flecks in it. And the kind that's going to be like, the heavens are going to open up and I'm going to hear the angels singing. That kind of ribeye. So anyway, but I'm not going to let myself eat it until I get all the work done in my bathroom. So, okay, bye. Hello, it's time to eat. Got this. I got 1 more day of these, so I'll have it for breakfast tomorrow. And I think I have 3 of them that I'll eat like on my drive to my friend's house for Thanksgiving. Because tomorrow is Thanksgiving. And I've got my yogurt and cottage cheese. So I'll take you all along and show you as much as I can at Thanksgiving. But, I'll try to respect all the peoples and stuff, You know how I do. You know how I do. I do what I do. And that's going to be my breakfast. I told y'all I went to Walmart. Okay, bye. So it's lunchtime. got my salad and my pork and gravy. After I'm done eating, we'll taste them and see what we think. So, okay. So I'm going to finish this stuff and then I'll be back. Okay, we're going to do our little apple taste test. They're both Cosmic Crisp. This is the long one and that's the short one. I'm going to get one that looks about the same size, the same color. So this is the short one. So let's take the long one. Good texture. Good taste. Good texture. Good taste. This one's a little more mealy. Not a lot. There's just something, kind of a taste to it. And not quite as crisp as the long one. Does it mean anything? Just thought I'd tell you. The shorter squatty one was a little softer. Just a ting, that much softer. That much right there. Don't matter. I'm still gonna eat. Maybe it's just more tart. Anyway, that TikTok fella didn't know what he was talking about. So if you see that TikTok, don't believe him. It ain't that much of a difference. All right, bye. So get this. I get texts from the city, like if they change trash days or whatever. And, today's Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. Just got an email and text that there is a boil water order for where I live. Now, I ain't freaked out because last time we had one, I think I still had 4 or 5 big old gallon jugs of water. And I could always drive over here to work and have it refilled if I needed to. But can you imagine the people that are hosting their Thanksgiving and now they're having to boil water and they can't, just drink water out of the faucet? Oh my goodness. Anyway, so yeah, that just happened. So I just thought I'd share that with you. Because, I tell y'all everything. So, yeah, so we have a boil water order for where I live. Maybe it'll be over by the end of the evening for people. I don't know, but we will see. I'll keep you updated. Hey there. Y'all are going to get sick of seeing the same thing, but I can't help it. We got some of our cracked cabbage that we made last weekend. We'll get that put in there. And we got our ground beef. I wanted to put it together. I heated it up for 2 minutes in the microwave. And now we're going to add some seasoning and stuff to it. Let me grab some stuff. Give me just a second. I'm going to finish off my pineapple ginger marinade. And then my G-Hue stir fry. Okay, and then we're going to use some farm dust. I'm trying to watch my phone. My dog poop girl usually comes on Wednesdays. So I'm trying to watch for her text. I'm trying to keep an eye on my phone. But, alright, and we're gonna put in a little bit of freeze-dried garlic, just because garlic is delicioso, and some Greek seasoning. Alright, I'm gonna put this back in the microwave for about a minute. I'll be right back. I got my bottled water out. That's supposed to remind me, don't drink the water, Terry. Drink the bottle. I don't think, no, neither one of these were open, so anyway. So I got my bottled water out, so I'm ready. I should have filled up this before I left work, but that's all right. Work, wherever it was, at work, it's not in that area. All right, so this is pretty hot. I think I might have done it a wee bit too long. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of this harissa sauce on, or harissa powder on it too, just to give a little bit of a ka-chow. A little ka-chow. Okay. That's good, Terry. Good job, Terry. Got some fruit. And I'm going to put a handful of these tomatoes in here. About yay many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tomatoes. So that's going to be my supper. And I'll show you tomorrow what we do to get ready for Thanksgiving. Okay, bye.